Hello kids! Today we are going to make some farm birds. And let's see which farm bird we are drawing first. Keep guessing. I know you know it very well. Yes, it's a turkey. And do you know what a baby turkey is known as? It's known as poult. So let's move on to another farm bird, and it is one of the most common farm bird. It stays in a pond. So do you know which farm bird it is? It's a duck. We are also drawing baby ducklings. So our next farm bird is the one which also provides us with eggs and meat. So which one is that? It's a chicken. And we are also making some chicks here. So let's draw one more farm bird, and it is quite similar to chicken, but its feathers are more big and it's a male bird. So it's known as rooster. So let's get started with coloring these farm birds. Keep watching the video.